Hi, in this video I'll show you step by step how to log in with Google, set up a MetaMask wallet, connect it to Uniswap, fund your Bing account with a card, buy Ethereum, and transfer it to your wallet. Let's get started. First, log into your Google account. Go to the login page, enter your details, and confirm access. After logging in, we can move on to setting up the wallet. Type MetaMask into the search engine. Click on the first link and go to the official website. Once the page loads, you'll see the Get MetaMask button in the top right corner. After carefully clicking on it, you will then be seamlessly taken to a brand new window where you can conveniently and easily add the essential extension to your Google Chrome browser. Click Add to Chrome. Following a brief and quick installation process, the MetaMask icon will then prominently appear. Click on it and you'll be in your wallet, or rather, you will be in just a moment. We need to create this wallet, so click Create New Wallet. Let's continue with today's session. Using your Google account, please select your account and then accept the terms and conditions. Now we'll create a password. Enter your password. Confirm your password, and then create a strong and secure password for your personal MetaMask digital wallet. Remember not to share your password with anyone. You can also download the app, but we'll continue here. And now our wallet is ready. After proceeding, we can see our wallet, what's inside it, and at the moment, there's nothing there. So let's start topping up the account. Let's keep going. Now we'll connect to Uniswap. So we type Uniswap into the search engine. We click on the very first link that appears in the web browser search results, and then open and start up the application. In the top right corner, we have Connect, so we click Connect. We choose to connect the wallet. This is just an ad. So once again, click Connect, select MetaMask, and click Connect. We wait until the little fox appears. There it is. Our account is there, our wallet is there. We successfully establish a connection, and this entire process is now fundamentally completed. Following this, our next crucial step will be to navigate to the BingX platform, where we will proceed to meticulously create a new user account and then diligently complete the necessary registration procedures to gain full access. Click Sign Up. You can do this by choosing to register with email or Google. We'll do it with Google. We have our test account. Click Next. Log into BingX. Next. And after just a few seconds, we're in BingX. So now it would be nice to buy something. We can just click here. And what do we see? Verification. Every account must be verified according to the platform's instructions. So unfortunately, each of us has to go through this and bore you with it. I won't bore you with that because it's shown step by step on the screen, but we have to finish it in order to top up the account. Once we've completed the verification, we can proceed to purchase Ethereum, but to do that, we initially need to acquire US dollars, which are a widely accepted fiat currency. This is primarily because it's currently not directly possible or straightforward to directly link our personal bank card for an immediate purchase of Polish zloty, our local currency, to then subsequently exchange them for the desired cryptocurrency Ethereum. So we buy dollars for 200 zloty. We have the exchange rate, we select the credit card, add it, click add, but we haven't added a card to the system yet. So at this particular point, we'll really need to go through the procedure of adding a new payment card. I then click the Confirm button. We subsequently move to the dedicated Card Addition panel, where we are prompted to carefully enter the complete card number, the precise expiration date, the full first and last name of the cardholder, and the essential 3-digit CCV code for security purposes. After entering this information, we click Pay, and we will be redirected to the transaction activation window. The transaction was successfully completed and has now been fully authorized. However, this is a card addition transaction. This is 1 zloty, which is later refunded to us. And once again, we click Purchase. We enter 200 zloty, select dollars, and the amount is converted immediately. Now we select the card payment option with the card we already have, click OK, and then click Buy. And after a moment, oh right, we still need to carefully check the consent box. After a brief moment, we are then automatically taken to the secure card payment panel. Click Pay. Oh, we also definitely need to enter the necessary CVC code. So we click Pay. And after a moment, we will be redirected to a window where we will have to confirm our transaction. In my case, the confirmation is done by phone. Give me a moment. After entering the code on my phone, I confirm the transaction. And in a moment, we will have a successful authorization. And as you can see, the transaction was successful. It's a success, it's okay. So where is our money right now? We click on Depot. Here are our funds. And now it's time to make a purchase. But we can't do it here. To buy our Ethereum, we need to go to Spot. We click on Spot, select Ethereum, and now we'll move to the exchange. Here we see the Ethereum to dollar rate. If we wish to make a purchase, we initially need to transfer our necessary funds to the designated Spot wallet. To do this, we simply click on the transfer icon located in the top right corner and then carefully select all the funds that we wish to move to the account. Spot. We will enter the exact amount, and in a moment, we will then shortly transfer the funds. We currently possess exactly $53. We transfer. And now the money is in the Spot account and we can make the purchase now. Ethereum. We click Buy. We've entered the amount of $53. Now we accept. Confirm the transaction, and our Ethereum cryptocurrency is successfully purchased. In the See Asset tab, you will clearly see our newly purchased Ethereum in the designated Spot account. Now we'll transfer our Ethereum to the wallet. We select Ethereum. Now we then need to paste our specific digital wallet address directly from the popular crypto MetaMask. We copy and paste. Now we will select ERC20 right here. We choose the full amount, the amount of Ethereum, and we send it to the wallet. Confirm. Now we will have to proceed through the complete verification process. So we click confirm and wait a moment. Security verification. That is security. We send it. We send the code to our phone, then we send the code to our email, and we have to enter them. This is a security measure so that our money doesn't end up in someone else's account. Here, we also have to prove that we're not a bot. The code is already in our email. Yes, we've received it. We'll copy it and paste it right here. Just confirm. And then there's facial recognition. After successful and accurate recognition of the data, we then proceed to click OK, confirm the action, and our process is complete. Ethereum will land in our wallet in a moment. Now, let's carefully check our MetaMask wallet, but it appears the money hasn't quite transferred over yet, so we will patiently wait and see. Oh, it seems they are already actively working on Uniswap, so the funds will most probably show up on our MetaMask account in just a moment. Look closely, we now have our precious Ethereum, so we absolutely need to thoroughly check what exactly is happening with our MetaMask to confirm whether the money has indeed arrived there yet. Not yet, so we'll log in again. We'll log in to refresh the page as well. Once again, we're connecting the site. And we'll log in. Since it remembers us, it should go through right away. Yes, we're logged in. Oh, and our funds are already in the wallet. So the whole operation was successful. That's all for today. I showed you how to log in to a Google account, create a MetaMask wallet, connect it to Uniswap, and we also set up a BingX account. We funded the account with a card, bought Ethereum, and finally transferred it to our own wallet. Thanks for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye.